Welcome back to ACB-RC.
Ayo, Bush on the beat.
So here at ACB-RC, we have stepped things up a little. With the visit to the beach, there is some footage showing a little of what the Traxxas X Max can do. These images, however, were captured with a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. This is the first flight and first use of this drone, so please excuse the shots, I am still learning. Camera quality and location are 10 out of 10. Just look at the view of the sea. Thanks for watching.
Ayo, Bush on